Welcome to this week's Dazzle Assembly. We've got some brilliant news in the fact that you can all come back to school on the 8th of March, and we cannot wait to see you. The teachers are working really hard to make sure that when you come back you're happy and having fun in the classroom, and we are all making sure that you are safe on your return. But for now, let's celebrate who's been having an amazing week this week. And I'm going to start, Miss Kelly.
Okay.
I'm going to start with the Year 3 Dream Award, and that goes to Rowan James. And it says, he has engaged really well with his work, showing great determination on tasks that he may have found challenging, even spending 3 hours independently planning and writing his story. Rowan has really blown us away with how hard he's worked, and we can't wait to see this continue when he comes back to school. That's dazzling, Rowan. Really well done. The Duty Award goes to Elsie Wilson. Elsie has shown a good commitment to her schoolwork, completing the majority of her tasks each week. We are very pleased and impressed with the quality of Elsie's work and of the positive attitudes that she always shows. Brilliant, Elsie. Really proud of you. Well done.
Fabulous. I'm going to do Year 4. Now, the Duty Award goes to a young lady who has really impressed us all with the work she has submitted. She has shown drive, duty and determination. My goodness, well done. She is pushing herself with all subjects, and we are so proud of the work she is producing at home. Let's hope it continues when she comes back. Well done, Katie Haynes. And the Dream Award goes to another young lady who has been really trying hard with her online learning. She's doing everything she has set and extra. She's been working hard on her personal targets at home, and we are really proud of the work that Chelsea Joker has been producing. Well done.
Chelsea and Katie, you both dazzle. So, moving on to Year 5. The Duty Award goes to a boy obviously in Year 5, and it says he has shown amazing drive every day during home learning, has completed extra maths challenges from Miss Hickman, and that boy is Alfie Clift. Well done, Alfie. The Dream Award goes to a young girl by the name of Holly Hunt. And Holly has been doing an amazing range of work on Teams, including a video of her drumming using a range of pots and plans. She joins virtual break times and is a joy to see. Holly, I would like to witness that too.
Fabulous. And in Year 6, the Duty Award goes to a young man, and he has not missed, we don't think, one assignment deadline,
That's
which
brilliant.
is amazing.
Absolutely brilliant.
Every day he comes to all of the relevant sessions and completes all of his work. He is keen to edit it and improve it too. He has shown so much duty. We are so proud of you, Dimitri.
Brilliant.
And our Dream Award goes to another young man, and every time we see him, he submitted a piece of work, and we are so excited to open it because we know it will be very high quality and his best effort. He really brightens up everyone's day with his participation on our live sessions and throughout remote learning. He has led the way in how to be a superb role model to his peers in Year 6. What an amazing young man, John Herrall. Well done.
Absolutely brilliant, Year 6. So, now we move on to our wow posts, and we'll have a look at what your parents would like to celebrate this week. There's only a couple, but Katie Louise Haynes, a fantastic effort with homeschooling. Mum and school have noticed how brilliantly you are doing.
And a big shout out to Grace Jones for winning the PE prize this week. Mrs. Oakes loved presenting her with her prize. Well done, Grace.
So, Rowanfield, we will be seeing you very soon. Don't forget that next week is World Book Day. You can dress up at home as your favourite book characters and send us in pictures so that we can all see how fabulous you look. Do you have anything more to add, Miss Kelly?
Not at all, just stay safe, and we are really looking forward to seeing you soon on March the 8th.
Bye for now.
Bye.